In addition, there are many other forms of tourism, such as tourism for studying, marine life tourism for agriculture, tourism for geography, cultural tourism, historical tourism, traditional festival tourism, tourism for countries' living styles, tourism for health, etc. Demand and supply of tourism. Demand and supply of tourism is the demand to use touristic services or purchase goods related to tourism. There are goods and services which tourism entrepreneurs prepare to meet the demand of tourism, which is unique from that of other goods and services. Characteristics of tourism demand. 1. It varies and changes according to time period, season, and situations, including health safety. 2. It is highest in tourist attractions which are well known because these places have significance and beauty. 3. Increase of expansion. The demand of tourism expands together with the development of tourism. Tourism may begin by traveling a short distance for one-day trip. Later, they may start traveling longer distances, which include staying overnight and may increase the length of stay and the expenses for traveling. Factors of demand of tourism. 1. Different sex, status, roles, attitudes, and interests have different effects on the demand of tourism. 2. Age. People of different ages have different demands on tourism. 3. Education. People who are well educated and well off increase the demand on tourism more than people who are less educated and less well off. Supply of tourism. Suppliers of tourism are goods or services designed to meet the demand of tourism and have different characteristics from other goods and services, as follows. 1. Most are immovable, such as a tourist attraction and accommodations. However, there are services provided in those places which are different from other supply of goods that can be transported to customers. 2. Tourism is done by traveling only. If there is no traveling, tourists will not be able to reach the destinations. 3. There are limitations on periods of time. For example, some tourist attractions can provide services for certain periods of time and not others. 4. Supplies of tourism have many forms. It can be tangible or intangible, such as feelings and satisfaction. The standard of services provided in each time may not be the same for each travel. 5. Some supplies of tourism may be wasted. For example, a vacant seat for each round of transportation or a vacant room in an accommodation can be wasted and affect the income and investment of that business. 6. Supplies of tourism are usually specially prepared. They are different from normal services in accommodation, restaurant, transportation, activities, and other services. 7. There will be an increase on supplies of tourism in terms of tourism resources, nature, culture, and facilities.